I've been watering this for about a minute at this level of pressure because I want that water to seep into that. This is tuck nuts. This is your how to do section, part 3 of the video. Transplant, and then not that one. This is the other tree that we planted. This is the nursery. See how it's cupped up like that? And see how it's not right there? I'm just gonna take a little dirt. Protection so the water doesn't get out. There's a thin hole line around this tree. You know, the tree comes in a whole package in a plastic stamp box. This box right here. And so you gotta take it out. And so then we had a hole already. So this is kind of filling in that little crack between the hole that we dug and the tree that's filled in between. How do you know how much to water, Alberto? When do you know to stop?
It needs a lot.
It needs a lot? Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna keep this video filming so you know. Actually, I'm gonna stop it because I got a little hole coming in here.